Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our subject is math and the class is grade 2. Today our topic is ordering numbers. In this lesson we will learn what number comes before, between and after the number with the help of number line. Here we have some numbers in which what comes before 7, what comes before 5, what comes before 10. Can you tell me what number comes before 7? Let's see what number comes before 7 in number line. Yes, 6. 6 comes before 7. Next number is 5. What comes before 5? See the number line? Yes, 4 comes before 5. Next number is 10. So what number comes before 10? Yes, 9. 9 comes before 10. Here we have some other numbers. If we have double numbers, we cannot change the first number. We can only change the second number. But when a number ends on 0, we will change both numbers. For example, here I have a number 26 in which what comes before 26 and what comes before 40. First number is what comes before 26. In this number, we will write first number as it is, which is 2, and only change the second number, which is 6. So students, tell me what number comes before 6? Yes, 5. So, what number comes before 26? Yes, 25. Very good. Here we have another number which is 40. As I said before, when a number ends on 0, we will change both numbers. So, what number comes before 4? Yes, 3. Very good. 0 means 10. So what number comes before 10? Yes, 9. Very good. Now tell me what number comes before 40? Very good. It's 39. Here I have some other numbers. It is same like double numbers. We will change only third number, but when a number ends on 0, we will change both second and third number. For example, here is a number 125. What comes before 125? In this number, we will only change the third number. We will write first and second number as they are, 1 and 2, and only change the third number, which is 5. So what number comes before 5? Yes, 4. So overall, what number comes before 125? Very good, 124. Here is another number, 130. This number ends on 0. So in this number, we will change both second and third number. We will write first number as it is, which is 1, and change the second and third number. So what number comes before 3? Yes, 2. And 0 means 10. So what number comes before 10? Yes, 9. So overall, what number comes before 130? Yes, 129. Very good. In these numbers, we will write what number comes after the number. Here we have some numbers in which what comes after 5 and what comes after 8. What comes after 5? See the number line? Yes, 6. 6 comes after 5. What comes after 8? See the number line? Yes, 9. 9 comes after 8. Now here we have some double numbers. In these numbers, we will only change second number. But one most important thing, in after number, when a number ends on 9, we will change both numbers. First number is 12. What comes after 12? In this number, we will write first number as it is, which is 1, and only change the second number, which is 2. So, what number comes after 2? Yes, 3. It means 13 comes after 12. Second number is 39. As I said before, when a number ends on 9, we will change both numbers. So what number comes after 3? Yes, 4. And what number comes after 9? Yes, 0. So overall, what number comes after 39? Yes, 40. Very good. Here we have some other numbers in which what number comes after 115 and what number comes after 139. The first one is what number comes after 150. We will write first and second number as they are and only change the third number, which is 5. So what number comes after 5? Yes, 6. So overall, what number comes after 115? Yes, 116. Very good. Next number is 139. This number ends on 9. So we will write first number as it is, which is 1. And we'll change the second and third number. So what number comes after 3? Yes, 4. And what number comes after 9? Yes, 10. So here we write 0. So overall, what number comes after 139? Very good, 140. In these numbers, we will write what number comes in between the numbers. These numbers are as same as after numbers. Here we have some examples in which what comes in between 36 and 38. The next one is what comes in between 54 and 56. Here we need to know that what number comes after 36 and before 38. We will write first number as it is, which is 3, and we'll change the second number, which is 6. So what number comes after 6? Yes, 7. So what number comes after 36? Yes, 37. It means 37 comes in between 36 and 38. Here we have another number in which what number comes in between 54 and 56. What number comes after 54 and before 56? We will write first number as it is, which is 5, and change the second number, which is 4. So what number comes after 4? Yes, 5. So what number comes after 54? Yes, it's 55. It means 55 comes in between 54 and 56. So students, here I have put some examples and you have to solve them by yourself. And after doing these examples, you have to attempt page number 15 and 16 on Countdown book as your homework. Hope you all will do well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.